Okay, guys, let's see about that. Church bells is ringing still. It's like there's that's better. The shade's right there. I know that that's not good enough. We have never know how much church bells and Shaw Avenue and River Crossing. I went over there by few days. No, it wasn't few days. I have a Railfan on Shaw Avenue River Crossing. So the church bells is not even ringed. Watch. Man, I want to go over there, by the way, again. Last time and Friday, I went to San Francisco, California. And also went to Turlock. Railfaning in Turlock, Fulkerth Road, Street. River Crossing. It has new signals they have. Last time I worried about my music covers I like. Jazz Railfan 2001, I don't know how to play covers music. Includes guitar, piano, violin, saxophone, trombone, trumpet. Yeah. My favorite e-bell from River Crossing bells is GS Type 3 e-bell. That's my favorite e-bell. Like, that's a new e-bell I never heard in River Crossing we have. We don't know about that, by the way. And here we have office. The door over there. Right between the side kicks we have. It's no good at all. Like I go over there, I play tennis game. Church bells doesn't ring yet. No way. Longer. Well, sadly, Godfather Raul. Well, he came from Mexico to see his family. We have a drip water in the hose. I guess it's terminated. Here comes the church bells. Hold on a second. Well, the church bell is off. Not yet. It didn't ring yet. Bye, JS Railfan 2001.